Hi everyone and welcome to my kitchen again. Today we prepared stuffed melon, which in Spanish means melón con cosas dentro. Today we need half melon. You can buy it at the supermarket. 125 grams of pasta cream. 200 grams of mascarpone cheese. It's from Italy. Some berries. We can't afford strawberries. 2 kiwis. 2 strawed prawns. A tablespoon of orange zest. Some honey. Some brochettes. And in this case, I also going to prepare it with banana. We get some orange zest.
Yeah.
We use a metal spoon to cut some balls. You can also use a knife to cut some squares. That's a way of doing. Good. We blend part of the melon with the mixture. Cool. We blend part of the melon with the mixture. Cool. We add the mixture into the melon like this. We chop the fruit like this was fruit ninja.
Yeah.
We got some of the previous ingredients and we skewer it in the brochettes. Remember this Oreo? And we put it in the melon. Fine. Good. And here we have pretty delicious plates. And it's completely made with fruit.